Okay, so now we are going to set up the OpenAI connector. So here we are just going to select it, and then from there we are going to see the page where you're supposed to input all your credentials. Then we have a setup guide here. So just make sure that you are connected to the relevant OpenAI account that has the proper credentials. And then from there, you can just open this page where you'll see an interface like this, and then you can just create a new one. Then from there, you can just give it a name. Um, After you give it a name, you can then select the expiration range. Then I just chose 30 days there for demo sake. Then you can create the admin key there. You should copy it there. Then you can put it into Solidify. Then from there you can test the connection. If you have the relevant credentials, the connection should succeed. And then from there you can save it. Um, and then yeah, that basically saves the connection. You can come in and edit it if necessary. That's basically all you need to set up an OpenAI connector. So yeah, thank you.